Certainly, AI washing can take various forms, ranging from minor embellishments to outright misrepresentations. Here are a few examples to illustrate the concept further. Token AI integration. Some companies may add superficial AI features to their products solely for marketing purposes, without significantly enhancing the product's functionality. For instance, a basic search algorithm might be labeled as powered by AI, even though it offers no substantial improvement over traditional search methods. Overstating AI capabilities. Companies might exaggerate the capabilities of their AI systems, implying that they possess human-like intelligence or are capable of performing tasks far beyond their actual capabilities. This can create unrealistic expectations among consumers and stakeholders. Using AI terminology incorrectly, in some cases, companies may misuse technical AI terminology, either unintentionally due to misunderstanding or deliberately to capitalize on the hype surrounding AI. This can lead to confusion about the actual technology being employed and its implications. Rebranding existing features as AI. Features or technologies that have been in existence for a long time may be rebranded as AI-enabled, even if AI plays a minimal or non-existent role in their functioning. For example, basic automation or rule-based systems might be marketed as AI-driven solutions, hiding manual processes behind AI. Some companies may rely heavily on manual processes, but present them as AI-driven to appear more advanced. For instance, customer service operations may involve human agents handling inquiries, but the company may claim to use AI-powered chatbots exclusively. Focusing on AI rather than value. Proposition. Instead of emphasizing how AI improves the user experience or delivers tangible benefits, companies may prioritize highlighting the mere presence of AI without adequately explaining its real-world implications. Piggybacking on AI success stories. Companies may attempt to associate themselves with successful AI initiatives or breakthroughs, even if their own products or services have little relevance to those achievements. This is often done to ride the coattails of AI success and boost their own credibility.